Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change a screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, in situations where devices are shared among family members, friends or colleagues, changing the screen lock method can help maintain individual privacy and prevent accidental access to personal data. So, how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down, and then here you can select lock screen option. Okay, and then in this page, you can choose the first one. After that, you can enter your passcode. Well, and then here will appear several options. Okay, if you turn on the first option, you can swipe the screen to unlock your device. Next, you can draw a memorable pattern at least 4 dots and then confirm it as before. Well, jump to the third option, PIN. You can create a strong PIN at least 4 digits here and then confirm it as before. Okay, next, password. Here, please make a strong password at least 4 characters. And then you can confirm it as before. Okay, and then for the last choice, it will not give any lock type. Okay, and then in this section, you can also use a biometrics mode between face and fingerprint. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change a screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A15 device.